You are running a small business. Every expense matters, and you are probably still paying for software that now has a completely free AI alternative. This video shows you the complete free stack, organized by business function, and the honest limitation of every single tool. Small businesses spend an average of $1,200 to $3,600 a year on software subscriptions. Most of that goes to tools for marketing, accounting, customer support, and operations. In 2026, a well-chosen stack of free AI applications can replace most of that. Here's the complete setup, organized by function, with the honest catch on every option. First, marketing. Canva AI handles all visual marketing materials, social posts, flyers, email graphics, and presentation slides. The free tier includes around 50 AI generation credits per month. Claude handles every piece of writing, social media captions, email campaigns, blog drafts, and ad copy. Free at claude.ai with no credit card. Buffer handles scheduling. Connect up to 3 social channels and keep up to 10 posts queued per channel at any one time. When a post publishes, a new slot opens. No monthly posting cap on the number of posts, only the queue depth. The honest catch on Buffer? Zero analytics on the free plan. You cannot see which posts perform best without upgrading to the Essentials plan at $5 per channel per month. Use each social platform's own built-in analytics instead. Together, these 3 applications handle the full content creation and distribution cycle for most small businesses at zero monthly cost. Second, customer support. Tidio's free plan adds a live chat widget to your website, up to 50 conversations per month, 3 operator accounts, and connections to Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp at no cost. Use Claude to write all your chatbot scripts, canned responses, and support documentation. Claude does the thinking, Tidio does the delivery. The honest catch: Tidio's AI chatbot feature, called Lyro, is not meaningfully included in the free plan. The free tier includes 50 total AI conversations for the lifetime of the account. Not 50 per month, 50 total. After that, AI chatbot access stops until you pay. The Lyro add-on starts at $39 per month. For a small business handling simple, repetitive inquiries, opening hours, shipping policies, basic FAQs, the live chat setup works well. For AI-powered autonomous support, budget for the Lyro add-on. Third, accounting. Wave has offered free invoicing since the company launched. The free plan covers unlimited invoice creation, basic expense tracking, and standard financial reports. For a service business, billing clients and tracking income and expenses, this handles the full workflow at zero cost. 2 honest catches. First, bank reconciliation. Matching your Wave records against your actual bank statements automatically requires the Pro plan at $19 per month. Manual reconciliation is still possible on the free plan, just not automated. Second, Wave Payroll is a separate paid service. If you have employees and need payroll processing, that is not part of the free offering. For a solo freelancer or small service business, invoicing clients and tracking income, the free tier is genuinely sufficient. Fourth, operations and organization. Notion's free workspace gives individual users unlimited pages and content blocks, process documentation, meeting notes, employee databases, project tracking, and knowledge bases, all organized in one place at no monthly cost. The important clarification on AI: Notion's free plan does not include AI features. The workspace itself is free. AI assistance for writing, summarizing, and generating content requires the business plan at $20 per user per month. The practical solution? Use Claude's free tier for all AI writing tasks. Draft a policy, summarize the meeting, generate the report in Claude. Paste the result into Notion for organization and storage. That combination delivers what Notion's paid AI tier offers at zero monthly cost. Fifth, sales and customer relationship management. HubSpot's free CRM is genuinely comprehensive. Contact management, deal pipeline tracking, email templates, meeting scheduling, and basic automation. All of it at zero cost, with no time limit. Use Claude to write your sales email sequences, follow-up messages, and proposal content. HubSpot stores the contacts and tracks the pipeline. Claude handles the actual writing. The honest catch? HubSpot's free tier does not include advanced reporting, email sequences with automation, or predictive lead scoring. The starter plan, which adds those features, begins at around $20 per user per month. For a small team in the early stages, the free CRM handles the core workflow. Marketing with Canva, Claude, and Buffer. Customer support with Tidio and Claude. Accounting with Wave. Operations in Notion's free workspace, with Claude handling the AI work. Sales in HubSpot's free CRM, with Claude writing the content. 5 business functions, 0 monthly software cost at the free tier. Subscribe for a new business tool breakdown every week. Drop a comment. Which function do you most want covered in depth? See you next time.